Alright, so this is perforated window film. And this is a material that you can see out from the inside, but you can't see in. It's perfect for trucks, for storefronts. We can print on it, as you can see. You could do a whole color if you want to black out your windows. Alright, so what you're doing is you're putting up your graphic. What you'll do is you'll make a mark on your window here. Okay, I usually will use an artist crayon. You just put it right here and you've got your mark. So if it's 15-15, you have it there, you center it out. And what your graphic will look like when you get it from us, it's going to have a 2-inch piece of tape, transfer tape on the top. And that's so that it all peels off in one piece without any issues. Because if you don't have that with perforated window film, it's going to start to split on you. So you're going to make a nice little fold on the back here. This is the backing of your perf. And once you have your graphic, you're going to set it up. Make sure that you're level. Which we are. And you're just going to squeegee up. Now this is similar to the other installation where you're going to peel it up and you're going to do a top hinge and you're going to pull down partial way, whatever you're comfortable with. And you're going to do the same thing, side to side. And you do this until the graphic is completely on the window. And then bring it down.
Look at that.
There you go.
Damn.
Perforated window film. Remember to take the proper measurements for your graphic. That way you don't have any excess that you're going to have to try and cut, or if it's too short for it.